It's a windy day in West Grove, Pennsylvania. We're here in Enniscrone working on some water leaks. Customers having a problem with water getting down behind this wall, the two corners of the window. Our guys were able to get in and get things taken apart and figure out what was going on. And a couple of real obvious errors on the part of the installers. Well, one, I never want a window this close to brick, but I can't change that now. They brought the stone up too high or the window too low, one way or the other. You need to have room, so there's a way to pan this out and flash it out. You should never have a window right up against a sill ledge like this. It's just asking for water infiltration problems because there's no good way to flash it. Short of, and even if we pulled the window out, it would still be a dicey, questionable thing. I want to have a couple inches here, but too late now, Ethel. We can't change it. So what we've done is the first thing we noticed was that their little piece of L flashing they had here over the brick. Well, sadly, that was in front of the house wrap, so water could run behind it and get in. Second thing they did is they put a reverse hem on this facing up, so any water that got into that channel couldn't get out. It had to run to the left or the right, and there was a big, giant, gaping hole right down in here. And we might have some pictures that German sent to us that our editor can throw up here in the corner for us, so you can see what was going on. We'll show you that this was reverse lap. Lapping was not correct at the top. They had not cut in for the window head for the nail trim up there, and the house wrap was just behind everything. And German, did they even have tape on that at the top?
No, they didn't have one.
No, there was no tape on the top. So that, of course, was causing problems. So we got up and we checked the top one. We wanted to make sure that the house wrap was under the nail fin at the bottom of the top window. Everything looked good up there. German took some pictures of that. So now it's just a matter of cutting a couple relief holes and changing the way this is set up. So we cut a big notch out of the reverse hem here. If that hem had gone under for decoration purposes, that would have been fine. But they hemmed it up, and that created the trap for the water and funneled it to the edge. So the other thing we did is, I hate to do this, I never want to do this, but in this case we filled the bottom hole here full of goo, adhesive product, to keep water from getting in there. I usually like to leave a drain hole, but in this case I can't do that. We have to seal that hole because of how this was installed. So we're going to fill that with goop to make sure that no liquid can get in that way. We are drilling relief holes and cutting relief holes in this reverse hem across here. Let me take you over to the other side. So we've got some weep holes in this bottom piece of J channel so that the water doesn't have to go to one end or the other. We've also cut some relief holes in the reverse hem, and that's going to allow that to drain. And we've got about 6 inches here to allow drainage as well before we goop that corner. So all those factors together, and we should be able to solve this water leak. So we were talking about the stone wall. I want to give you an example of another way that this can be done, and I like this a whole lot better. What you're going to see here is a nice piece of like slate, or there's other different ways that you can do it, but we've got these nice long 3 and 4 feet continuous pieces, and this is mounted at a nice angle so that the water can drain off of it. And you run that all on the side of the house here. I'll come up and show you the angle here at the corner. You can see the slope. You've got almost ½ inch to 3/4 inch of fall from the back to the front, and of course the drip cap come down out from under the siding and out on top of things. So you've got a lot less mortar joints to deal with, and because of the pitch, you're guaranteed that water's going to run away from the house, as opposed to the other one that I was showing you, where you had all those individual joints and the stone was flat. That's what we don't want. So this is kind of what we're looking to achieve. If we can help you do that, give our team a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, extension 2 for new projects. Take a picture of what's bugging you, what problem we can solve. Send it to us right here on our Facebook page. Click that Contact Us button there at the top. Send us those pictures along with your contact details. Our team will be happy to assist you with that. Cope Builders, your full-service construction and renovation contractor, number 88078, licensed in Newcastle County, Delaware 10490. We're finished with it. You'll be proud to say it's not just done. It was Cope Built. We'll catch you in the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.